Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of MissFlips. If you guys are new here, my name is Marissa and I flip furniture. But in today's episode, I'm going to be showing you guys how I apply my same skills that I use for furniture flipping onto a much larger scale. If you guys saw my last episode, you guys know that we are in the middle of making over our house. So I'm going to give you guys a tour of our house just the way it was when we bought it, and then show you guys all of the work that we put into it to make it look how it is right now. All right, guys, let's get flipping. So here is our living room, and as you can see, the entire house is painted this light blue color, and on the stairs they have this awful trim that I absolutely hated, so we're definitely gonna get rid of that. And this is our kitchen. And then we go upstairs, and here is going to be our main TV living space. And then we have also 2 bedrooms. We are going to paint the entire house a white color, so the first thing we want to do is paint our room. We wanted to do this just so we would both have a place to sleep while we worked on the rest of the house. So we did the entire room and our bathroom first, and then moved on to the rest of the house. Before painting the main living room downstairs, we prepped it by taking off all that god-awful trim and also taking off these large mirrors that were in the entryway.
Woo! Yeah! There you go!
And then once everything was off, we went in with some spackle and just put it over all the holes or the places where the wood was separated a little bit. And once that was all done, we got to painting. Also, I should have definitely prefaced this by saying that I am not an expert at all when it comes to home renovations. I am just doing what I know and have watched a couple of YouTube videos and am kind of working based off of that. So if you see me doing something wrong, it's probably because I am. But on a much more serious note, if you do see me doing something wrong, please, please, please leave it in the comments. I always love to learn and grow and to do things right if I ever end up doing them a second time. For the half bath that was downstairs, we wanted to have an accent wall, but we also wanted to incorporate something that our guests could interact with. So we decided to put a chalkboard wall where they can draw or write or just do whatever they want on it to make it really kind of fun and unique. And we left these little paint chips, so I actually had to go in there with my fingernail and get it off of the vinyl floor. It took forever, but paid off. We actually found out that a better trick for doing this is to get some hand sanitizer and just wipe it off with a cloth. It works miracles. And for our kitchen, we are actually doing some demo. We are taking down both cabinets on the window side and replacing it with open shelves. And let me tell you, taking these off was a pain in the butt. The one on the right was especially awful because whoever put it up there just did an awful job, and they put like glue, this weird like foamy glue, and then put packaging tape on top. It was just really weird. I've never seen anything like it, but we finally got them both off. And now it's time to patch up the holes that we made from trying to pry this right one off with a crowbar. I literally could not get two of the screws on top to come out, so I had to literally just crank it off. Okay, so as you can see, it is an absolute mess in here, but we are finally done with the walls in the kitchen, and we plan on putting open shelves right here and right here. So we have to build those. We are building them from scratch, which I have this plan on a Chipotle napkin that we are going to be using to build the shelves with. The living room is also in shambles, but it is completely done and ready to be moved into. We are saving painting the stairs for last because, well, we're gonna be moving a lot of furniture up here. So we are saving that for later once we have everything moved up in case we make scratches or anything like that. But we have done all the trim work in here, a first coat. So all we have to do is paint the walls and do all that. We got these really cool, massive rollers. They're like, I don't know, 1.5 feet or something. Who knows? But yeah, we got those massive rollers, so hopefully that will speed up the process. But yeah, it's looking good. Got all the trim work done and ready to get painting. Alright guys, well thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I hope you guys stay tuned for next week's episode where I'm gonna do the grand reveal of our furnished house. But if you guys want to stay tuned and see how a furniture flipper furnishes their house, please make sure to like and subscribe and do all those things so that you can come along on this journey with us. It's going to be so cool. We have so much furniture. Our garage is just packed to the brim with furniture that we found on Facebook Marketplace, Goodwill, garage sales, all sorts of stuff. So make sure you guys stay tuned because it is an awesome collection of stuff. Thanks again for watching, you guys, and we'll see you next time. Stay flippin'. Mwah.